Alright, so we got the F Donald Trump people showing up. Yeah, like a couple of them. Here, hold on. I'm going to try to get close. You can see. You'll see him in the green hat. Right there. That is a Hillary guy. Look at him trying to talk smack. Shaking his head.
Okay, all those illegal immigrants, there's about 15 to 20 million of them living here in the United States, okay? There's only 3% of those are China.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Hillary supporter. Go home. Go back to sleep.
Ms. Sue Yoko Robertson, the National Coordinator for Great American Movement.
Hey, all the Hillary people left. Oh, there's like 4 more over here. 4 more mischief causers.
That's a good one. Mexico for Trump.
Look at these Hillary supporters right here. The blue and the pink. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, retweet this. Retweet this. They're causing drama. They're paid by Hillary to be here. Hillary paid them. They're paid by Hillary Clinton.
They're trying to start a fight here. No, don't take it. Bird dogging. They're bird dogging. Bird dogging.
Look, this is all the media will get. This is all they haven't been filming the whole time. Now they're filming.
All of a sudden the media whip out their cameras as soon as the bird doggers show up.
Yeah, of course. Now he's filming. Look, there he is right there. Cameras weren't on the whole time, and now all of a sudden. Trump, peace, unity, peace and unity. Over here, anger and hatred.
Fair and go back. Or you want to, then you know what, then what's your problem with this country?
Guys like this is all paid for by the Clinton campaign. When you watch the Veritas, like the cameraman right there, paid for.
Know your history.
All of this is paid for. So we know all the history of what they've done. We've got all the paperwork. We know they were coming. This is all paid for the cameras and stuff like that. So honestly, 5 minutes of fame, over. On.
Waste of time. It's a waste of time. See, this is why we need to take our country back. We have people living in America that are not even proud to be Americans. They're waving around a Mexican flag, coming to a peaceful rally, causing problems, bringing violence and hate to people that want peace and love for everybody. This is absolutely not what America is all about, and this is exactly why Hillary Clinton needs to be locked up in prison.